Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
My channel?
Sit down. So today we're gonna do my 3-year-old does my makeup challenge.
My challenge.
So let's just get started. So first, mommy's eyebrow. Go.
Huh? Go?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to sit down?
Go. Come on, mommy's eyebrows.
Eyebrow? Whoa. Whoa.
Wow.
You want to put it there?
Yeah.
I'm going to put it here. You want to see that? What's this one?
On mommy's eyebrows.
No, me. My eyebrows. My big. My like eyebrows.
You like my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Wow.
Want to go Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, we can go Mickey Mouse up.
Okay, look how my sun it up. Okay? The sun it up. Okay? Mickey Mouse? You want to do a hair you?
Yes, to hold my hair. So my camera's moving. I apologize, that's Jacob.
Makeup.
Which one do you want?
This. You see?
Okay. Now put it like lotion.
Lotion?
Yeah, put it like lotion. See, on mommy's face. That's it?
No more. And turn back. Mountain ocean. Okay.
That's it?
Let's take.
Alright, we're gonna move on to foundation.
Yeah.
So this one, you gotta put it like a crayon, like mommy on mommy's face.
Want to cry?
Yeah.
Want to see it? Crayon you. I'm gonna put it. My circles? My circles?
Mhm.
My circles. Look,
Okay, you gonna put some on mommy's forehead?
Yeah. Look.
Okay, yeah.
My circles.
Now we're gonna go to the eyes. He wants to do eyes now.
Mama,
We're gonna use the Dream palette. Okay. Choose one. Okay.
Thank you much. With this, Papa.
Okay, mommy, hold it. I don't want him to mix my colors.
With this.
Yeah. You wanna put pink on mommy's eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah, pink. There.
Okay.
Wanna put it here?
On my eyes.
More eyes. More pink. More color pink. Over here?
Yeah.
More circles?
Yeah.
More toothbrush.
More colors or just pink?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What's the dinosaur color?
Green dinosaur.
Oh, green dinosaur. Okay, use a different one here.
Okay, here. Horse.
Go. Green dinosaur.
Mom, you a dinosaur.
I'm a dinosaur.
Yeah. Mom, make face. Mom, make your feet. My feet.
Say hi. Hola. Hi.
Okay.
What else? What other color?
One, two.
Oh, finish my eyes.
Yeah, put an eyes right here. I'm gonna put eyeballs. I'm gonna put eyes. I'm gonna put it right here, cheek.
Okay, now we're gonna do...
Mama.
So I didn't get a bronzer, so he's gonna just do with my blush. This goes on mommy's cheeks, okay?
Yeah, toothbrush.
It's a toothbrush.
My toothbrush and my toothbrush.
Okay.
Okay, do it right here.
Mommy's cheeks.
On my cheeks. Mom.
They look pretty?
Yeah, pretty.
They look so pretty.
My you princess.
Oh, I'm a princess?
Yeah. My your hair?
Yeah, my hair. You like my hair?
Yeah. What color hair?
Yeah, I color my hair.
What color white?
He's putting blush all over my face. Okay, now this side.
Oh, this side?
You need to put more.
I'll put more?
I see, yeah.
Okay, put more. I'm gonna put it around. With the snow.
Yeah.
And some pink. I'm gonna put a head.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put it that way. I'm gonna you put it in a bunny.
This. You're gonna put in mommy's cheeks.
Then make help with a cheat. Okay. Ready? They help with help with cheeks.
Oh yeah.
There's the rights, okay? The feet. Oh, they're right here. Okay? Then 1 feet. Oh, sorry.
Look at my He's jabbing the brush. You done?
Not yet. We have more.
More?
You want more? Okay, one more. One more.
Okay, yeah.
No, more purple.
Oh, okay.
More cars?
Oh, you're drawing cars on my face?
Yeah. I'm gonna make cars.
I am so glowy. By the way, the highlight is Oh Darling by MAC. It's from their new holiday collection.
My nose. My nose.
Beautiful.
My
Okay,
nose.
what else?
Huh?
Lipstick. Which one you want? Those of Colors Mickey, or you want this one, glitter?
Mickey Mouse.
You want Mickey Mouse? Okay. Here.
With this?
It's lipstick. It's for mommy. It's lipstick.
With that? With that?
Lipstick.
With this?
For the lips.
Right here is lips. With that? See? My Mickey Mouse. Tickle! No! No, Tickle! No!
Yeah?
Not yet.
Yeah, it's only for the lips.
There. The Mickey Mouse.
Oh, I'm Mickey Mouse?
Yeah. Okay, it's a Mickey Mouse you.
Okay. This is for the eyes. Okay. Okay, yeah, no more. I see.
More.
So you like it?
Yeah. No, have more.
You like it?
No, have more.
You like mommy's makeup?
No, one more.
Oh, more spray?
You will make? Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are done. This is Matthew's masterpiece. Matthew, how do I look?
Huh?
How does mommy look?
Huh?
How does mommy look?
Hello.
Get up.
Okay.
Look at mommy. How does mommy look?
Huh?
How does mommy look? Yeah, but look at my face. How do I look? Do I look pretty? Do I look yuck?
My yuck.
Like yuck?
Yeah, my finger.
I don't look pretty?
Yeah, pretty.
I look pretty?
Yeah?
Aww. Give me a kiss.
Oh, my kiss.
Thank you. So that concludes the video. Let me show you guys a little close-up of Matthew's doing. I didn't even know what to say because I'm highlighted like a goddess on the side. My eyebrows. He was going for a bushy look. I think he did a pretty good job. The lip gloss. I mean, he added some pink shadow. Makes me look like eye bags now. And yeah. Overall, very dewy. So yeah. See you guys.